Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process of how you can register for the Webull account. Now for that, you open the application that you have installed on your mobile device, tap open the app. Then once you're at the watch list page of Webull, you need to tap on the message icon on the bottom right corner. There you will be needing to log in into your account to view all the messages. There you tap on login. Once you tap on login, you will be directed to the sign up or signing page. You tap on sign up. You can also sign up with your Google or your Facebook account. Here I'll just show you the manual process of how you can create an account. Before signing up, you need to tap on the checkbox on the circle and tap on sign up. Now here you need to provide the email address, type in the email address and click on next. Now you need to check your verification code. Webull has sent you a code on the email that you have just provided. You go and check your mail. You can see the mail on the top. Tap open that. There you can see your code 772417. Now you need to type in the code in here 772417 and then click on next. Now here you need to provide a password for your account. So I'm gonna type in a password. You need to re-enter the password for the confirmation and then click on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself an account on Webull. This is how you can easily create an account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.